Clearing and starting over in your H&R block online. Sometimes starting over with your tax return is the best option to ensure accuracy and completeness. Whether you've made mistakes, want to change your approach, or simply need a fresh start, H&R Block's online platform makes it easier for your clear, current progress. So for this, let's begin. Firstly, access the following link that says H&R Block Start Return Over. Once on the web page, read through the information provided to understand the process of clearing and starting over in H&R Block's online platform. Determine if starting over is the right option for you. Then, if you have already entered your information into your tax return, review your entries to identify areas that requires correction and adjustments. Decide whether you want to start over with your current H&R Block online account or create a new account for a fresh start. Log into your H&R Block online account using your credentials. If you do not have an account yet, you'll need to create one by accessing tax filing platform. Navigate to the section of your H&R Block online account where you can manage your tax return or return settings. Follow the prompts provided to clear your current progress and start over with your tax return. If you choose to create a new account for a fresh start, then you can follow the instructions provided on the H&R Block website to set up your new account. And this was everything you needed to know about clearing and starting over in H&R Block.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.